Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is the 30th of October. I've been filming the studio vlog for, I would say, about 2 weeks. As you guys know, I got a printer and I decided to do some new products for the shop. There will be a shop update. I hope it is up by now. If yes, I will link it and I will show you guys the products I have in my shop. I'm still waiting on the washi tape to arrive, and that's the only thing that's keeping me from launching the shop update. Customs in Romania is a very interesting experience, and I got my washi tape from China and it took like 2 days for it to arrive in Romania, and then in Romania it's been sitting for a week and a half. So hopefully I'll get it on Monday, take pictures of it, upload it, and you will be able to check out my shop with the new products. But I did want to show you guys the products I have made in my studio, which are also Patreon rewards for this month. So the first one I did is this holographic art print with an Inktober illustration. The Inktober illustration is for the prompt quartz, and the paper is really beautiful. It reflects like rainbows, so I'm very into that. The print quality is really nice with my tiny epson. So that's the first one. I also am adding some new stickers, so you will be able to get this sweater weather cat sticker. It's super cute. It's laminated with glossy foil, so it is waterproof, and it's hand cut by me since I don't have a Cricut or anything. Also in the sticker category, I will be having a set of free terrarium stickers. So these are the free stickers that you will be able to get. They come with this, so it's basically in this pouch, and yeah, this will be sold as a set. And the last one, which I'm really excited about, are the temporary tattoo sheets. So I had another temporary tattoo sheet, but I wasn't really happy with the overall quality and the process of getting them. It was very complicated. I had to order them from England, and with Brexit and everything, it's very complicated. So I decided to try out printing them on my epson, and I got some temporary tattoo paper from Etsy, and this is what I came up with. And I will be showing you a small glimpse of the process of making them. It's really easy actually. You just have to print it on one type of paper, which has kind of an adhesive on top. You let it dry for about an hour, and then you add a foil on top so they are protected. And I will be giving away instructions as well for these temporary tattoo sheets on how you can apply them, but they are safe. I've tried them on my skin. They last for about a week. Really easy to take off. They basically peel off, but I would recommend you cut out the shape like really close to the line. Otherwise you will be getting like a contour of stickiness, which you don't really want. So these are going in my shop as well. And the washi tape, which if I do have it by now, I will insert a clip of it so you can see it. It's a terrarium washi tape with some gold accents. So I hope it will arrive and it will look good. And yeah, if you're interested in any of these products, then do check out my shop. I will leave the link in the description box. So other than that, today I am working on Patreon stuff. I want to, well, actually I did finish a mini original. I still have to add another layer to it, but this is the mini original for one of my patrons. She wanted a portrait of her son in his first day of kindergarten, so I decided to do it in this style that I've been doing for a while, which is pretty much the same as this sticker, and I really like the contrast with the red and the blues. So besides that, I need to work on the monthly wallpaper, which will be an illustration with art supplies. So I kind of gathered up all my favorite art supplies, and I will be painting those. Hopefully I'll get it done today. So besides that, I am still doing Inktober. I'm very far behind. I still have 2 prompts to do, but I didn't have time at all this week to deal with that. Hopefully I'll get them done next week. If not, I will see when. I'm not really stressed about it. I'm pretty pleased with the amount of drawings I have made this Inktober. I did choose a prompt list which was with 15 drawings, not 31. because I knew wouldn't have enough time for them, but they are pretty big illustrations and I'm happy with most of them. Some of them are kind of like but you can't really draw perfectly every day. So yeah, I've been working on Inktober, my shop update, Patreon stuff and stuff like that. I do want to mention that in my shop I have a pet portrait option. If you want a gift for the holidays, it would be great if you would purchase it now, because with COVID, US mail system kind of being delayed and everything, it's really hard to get out the shipments at time. So if you do want a portrait, I recommend you get one now if you want it as a gift for Christmas. So I think that's pretty much what I wanted to say in this studio vlog. It's very, since it's filmed over 2 weeks, it's very all over the place. You will be seeing Inktober stuff, you will be seeing temporary tattoo sheets, how they are made, and Patreon rewards, and stuff like that. Also, I wanted to say that we have a small kitten in front of our apartment building, and she's very scared of humans, but we've been feeding her and we've made her a kind of cardboard box house, and she's super cute. So if anybody in Turgmureș wants a kitten, please do let me know. Just email me on my email address or something like that. So yeah, this is basically it. I hope you will like the new products. I'm very excited about them, especially the temporary tattoo sheets and the washi tape, even though I haven't seen it yet, but I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the studio vlog. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!